this episode of Making Home, I continue my journey with Les Walker's Housebuilding for Children. And in this episode, I attempt to make a workbench. Concrete, plywood into the concrete. So
the balloon flying away that is usually seen, and it has an odd shape in the distance that doesn't diminish, it stays in my sun and doesn't finish.
unfortunately, didn't go as planned. Tried to nail plywood into cinder blocks per the instructions and it didn't work. Love if anyone can tell me what I did wrong, but didn't always go as you planned. So after that swing and a miss, I had to call an audible. The whole idea is to follow faithfully, to a T, the instructions of Les Walker, including the traditional tools, but it just wasn't working. Fortunately, my algorithm was already feeding me relevant content, and I found a great 1 hour easiest workbench video, which I'll link to, and tried my best to follow that faithfully. Not ideal, but the show must go on. It's been amazing. It's been the greatest. It's been the happiest year of my life by far. You're 48, and then I'll take that over there, and that will go on top. Dead at top.
Well, it will be a little tough, but then try getting the back of the hammer plucking this out.
Yeah. It actually works out nicely because it'll be easier for me to keep the distance now. So there we have it, a complete workbench. Next up is attempting to create a stick frame playhouse from Les Walker's Housebuilding for Children, where I can put this workbench to use. I hope you tune in as this learning journey for making home continues. Thank you.